Hello everyone, welcome to Chemistry Aspirant channel. This is Chemistry of Alkanes part 3rd. In earlier two videos, we discuss classification of hydrocarbons, nomenclature of alkane and their physical properties. Today we will discuss different methods of preparation of alkanes. There are some industrial sources of alkanes. The main source of alkane is petroleum, which contains mixture of different carbons from carbon number 30, 1 carbon to 30 to 40 carbons. Our natural gas contains volatile alkanes, mainly methane it contains, and small amount of ethane, propane and butane. From this natural gas, propane and butane fraction is separated from the more volatile components by fractional distillations. As natural gas contains main components is methane and minor amount of or small amount of propane and butane, they can be separated by fractional distillation. Petroleum is also separated by fractional distillation into the various fractions. Let's see how alkanes can be prepared in industry and in laboratory. In industry, alkanes prepare in the larger amount, which is cost effective, whereas in laboratory the desired compound synthesized in less quantity. Purity is more important when you are synthesized in laboratory. Smaller alkanes from methane through pentane, isopentane are obtained by fractional distillation of petroleum and natural gas. And above the pentane, homologous series can be prepared by different methods. As natural gas and petroleum contains smaller alkanes up to the pentane, they can be separated by the fractional distillation method. Above the pentane, different alkanes, higher alkanes can be prepared. Now, preparation of alkanes, different methods are there to prepare alkanes. You can see here. First one is a hydrogenation of alkanes. Hydrogenation means addition of hydrogen atom to the alkene. Alkenes means carbon-carbon double bond. Second is a reduction of alkyl halides. Alkyl halides get reduced to form alkane. Next one is a hydrolysis of Grignard reagent. Then coupling of alkyl halide with organometallic compound, Wurtz reaction, in that Wurtz-Fittig reaction also there. We will see one by one. First we will see hydrogenation of alkenes. Hydrogenation of alkenes. Alkenes means which contains carbon-carbon double bonds are called the alkene, in which one is sigma bond and one is pi bond. In these alkenes, hydrogen is get added across this double bond, which is catalyzed by palladium, platinum or nickel. Used as a catalyst, you will get the alkane. Carbon-carbon double bond is converted into carbon-carbon single bond. That means alkene will convert into the alkane by hydrogenation of alkene. There are some example I have taken. You can see here ethene on hydrogenation catalyzed by nickel, you will get ethane. Similarly, when 2-methyl propene on hydrogenation catalyzed by nickel, you will get 2-methyl propane. This way different alkenes can be converted into the alkane by simple hydrogenation reaction. Next method of preparation of alkane is reduction of alkyl halides. When alkyl halide reacts with zinc copper couple and alcohol or tin in hydrochloric acid, it reduces to alkene. When you are using alkyl halides, particularly chlorine, bromine, iodine you can use, but you cannot use fluoride, as the reaction of alkyl fluoride are more explosive. First step is the synthesis of reagent. Zinc copper couple reacts with methanol, produce a nascent hydrogen atom. This hydrogen replaces halogen atom to form the alkanes. In overall reaction, you can see the methyl iodide on reaction with nascent hydrogen will convert into the methane with liberation of hydrogen iodide. Means iodine is replaced by the hydrogen atom, that is called reduction of alkyl halide. Second example, you can see 2-bromopropane reacts with nascent hydrogen, which is produced by the reaction of ethanol with zinc copper couple to form propane plus hydrogen bromide. This is the method to prepare alkanes. In this case, alkyl halides get converted into the alkane. The halogen group is replaced by the hydrogen atom, means substitution reaction takes place. Iodine is replaced by the hydrogen atom. Third method for preparation of alkane is hydrolysis of Grignard reagent. First, what is Grignard reagent? Let's see. When alkyl halide react with magnesium metal in presence of dry ether. Dry ether means it contains no moisture. It forms alkyl magnesium halide. This alkyl magnesium halide is called as Grignard reagent. This alkyl magnesium halide on hydrolysis gives you alkane, as magnesium has more affinity towards oxygen. Therefore, easily hydrolysis of Grignard reagent can be done and you will get alkane as a product. Again see, Grignard reagent is alkyl magnesium halide, which is prepared by reaction of alkyl halide with magnesium metal in dry ether to form alkyl magnesium halide. And this alkyl magnesium halide on hydrolysis gives you alkane. Let's see the examples. 1-bromoethane react with magnesium metal to form ethyl magnesium bromide. That means this is the Grignard reagent. This ethyl magnesium bromide on hydrolysis forms the ethane. That means magnesium bromide is replaced by hydrogen atom. That means substitution of this MgBr by hydrogen atom take place. This is the hydrolysis of Grignard reagent. This way, today we learn 3 methods of preparation of alkane. First was hydrogenation of alkenes, means addition of hydrogen molecule to the alkene to form alkane. Second was reduction of alkyl halide to alkane. In this, the halogen atom is replaced by the hydrogen. And the third method is hydrolysis of Grignard reagent. In this method, the Grignard reagent on hydrolysis gives you alkane. In this way, hydrolysis of alkene, reduction of alkyl halides and hydrolysis of Grignard reagent we learn. Remaining two, coupling of alkyl halide with organometallic compound and Wurtz reaction we will see in the second part. Thank you for watching this video.